Hi, I'm Shin Hao. I'm from Jewel Coffee Roasters. I would like to introduce you to the Kalem 2601 Pro. This is the machine that we use for our Jewel at Work coffee program. So here we go. So to turn on the machine, it's very easy. There's an on-off button here. So from the point where you turn on the machine, almost as quickly, within 5 minutes, the machine is ready to make your first cup of coffee. Yeah, sometimes faster than that. Over here is the hopper, and this hopper here can contain up to 750 grams of coffee. This water tank here contains the water which the machine uses to make the coffee. So you can detach it this way to fill up the water, or you can just fill in the water from the side. So it's quite easy. Yeah. These two coffees are the coffees that we usually use for the Jewel at Work coffee program. This is a blend of Brazil and Sumatra coffees, and this is just a Brazil single origin coffee. These two coffees are what we call the crowd pleasers. Generally, most people will be able to accept this coffee in the office. Yeah. To load the coffee, it's very simple. You just remove the hopper cover. Over here you can see this is the user panel. So we have a range of beverages which you can make in the office. We have the espresso, the Americano, we have the cappuccino, the latte, and also you can dispense just milk and cream. So the milk is kept in this cooler on the side, and the milk is fed to the machine from the milk pipe itself. Okay? So all you need to do is to make sure that you have a container, or even just the milk pad itself. You put it inside the fridge, insert the milk tube into the milk, and you're pretty much ready to make any milk beverages. So making the beverages as easy as pressing the button. So over here we'll just start with the Americano. You can see here there's a setting. You can actually customize the beverages on the fly. So this is the part where you can decide how much coffee you want for your beverage. This is the volume. You can decide you want more water or not. You can also increase on the fly, for example, to 100, or you can just bring it back down to the level that you wanted earlier. This is the espresso volume that you can also customize on the fly. It all depends on whether you want to make a stronger or a weaker cup of coffee. So all these beverages are fully programmable, so we can customize the drink settings to your preference. You just have to let me know upon the point of setup in your office. Yeah?